My name is Richard Dietlefs, and I am a progressionist.
I'm not sorry for anything. 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 Anything.
Process art has been entitled as a creative movement in the US and Europe in the mid-1960s. It has roots in the drip paintings of Jackson Pollock. Process art is concerned with the actual doing. Art as a rite, ritual, and performance. The process in process art refers to the process of the information of art. The gathering, sorting, collating, associating, and patterning. Process art often entails an inherent motivation, rationale, and intentionality. Therefore, art is viewed as a creative journey or process rather than an actual end product. Process art is an artistic movement as well as a creative sentiment and worldview where the end product of art and craft is not the principal focus. To me, an artwork is never finished. It's only one step closer in becoming something else.